Namaste, welcome to Sesreka's kitchen. Today I am making broccoli, carrot, stir fry. This is such an easy recipe, you can just make it in a few minutes. Here I have some carrot, broccoli and onion. As you can see, I am using the broccoli stems also. It contains good dietary fiber, so you can use them. I took 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a pan and heating on medium heat. You may use olive oil or any other oil of your choice. I also have some finely chopped green chilli, ginger and garlic. When the oil is hot, add them to the oil and stir fry them. When they are fried well, add the broccoli, carrot and onion and stir them. Add a pinch of salt and stir it well. Now cook it covered for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. I am checking after about 4 minutes. Carrot and broccoli are cooking nicely. They are still crispy, that is what we want, and they are not sticking to the pan. Now I am adding some soy sauce. If you are really watching your sodium, you can skip the soy sauce. Still your stir fry is going to be tasty with green chilli, ginger, garlic and salt and pepper. I try not to use a lot of soy sauce. I am using about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Add it and stir it quickly. I lowered the flame to low before adding the soy sauce. Soy sauce contains a lot of sodium in it, so I am not adding any salt now, but I added a pinch earlier. Adding some fresh pepper powder will give a nice flavor. It is a good weight loss recipe for dinner, and it is also good to control blood sugar. Stir it well and transfer it into a plate. You may eat it with some rice or quinoa. But if you really want to lose some weight or control your blood sugar, do not eat rice. Just eat the stir fry alone. Sprinkle some sesame seeds. I hope this recipe is really useful to you. Please try this and give me your feedback. Thank you for watching my video.